Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the network sharing feature is no longer working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And when you're opening up your Wi-Fi or Ethernet properties, it says that it has been disabled by the network administrator. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up the search menu. Type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best result should come back a registry editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select file and then export. File name, I'd recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all, and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever needed to import it back in, that's very simple as well. All you have to do is select file and then import, and then navigate to the file location. So now that that's out of the way, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start by double clicking on the HK local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder. Same thing for Microsoft, so double click on that. Should be a policy manager folder in here, so just scroll down and double click on that. Should be a default folder in here, double click on that one as well. Locate the ADMX underscore network connections folder right here and double click on it. And then there should be an NC underscore personal firewall config folder in here. Right here. Just left click on that one time. If you need to take that of our file path, you can see it up at the top of the screen here. Each backslash indicates a different subkey that we went under to get to this point. So now on the right side, you want to locate something that says policy type. So double click on that. The value in this field, you want to type the number 1. Set the base to hexadecimal and then select OK. And then once you've done that, go back on the left side here and locate the NC underscore show shared access UI. So it's this folder right here. And then again, go into policy type, double click on that, and then value data in here should be set to 1. Again, base hexadecimal, and then select OK. And then once you have concluded that task, you want to go ahead and close out of here. And you want to restart your computer. And then hopefully at this point your issue has been resolved, and if you attempt to modify your network settings again, you should be good to go. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.